Hey Spuddies, hope you're doing well. In case you've missed it, I've got my book out. It's in paperback version now. Woohoo! It's been out for a while as a digital form, but paperback version book is out now, and you can get a discount if you order below at the website, and if you use the code SPUDBOOK. Just check the links below and you'll see that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you a little bit more about it. Last video I did about the chapter on the doctors, and this one's going to be about the athletes. The athletes, I'll just read you the intro that I've written about there you go, the athletes. I would like to read the intro to you. So, no one embodies what a plant-based diet can do for you better than an athlete. Collectively, they represent to me the true essence of what it is to be human. The people in this chapter are at their physical peak and understand that there is much more to it than just training hard. A Ferrari is worth nothing if it's running on dirty fuel, and these people have certainly nailed down the best way to get their engines to fire on all cylinders. Society has an unhealthy obsession with animal protein. It seems like everyone is smashing down steaks and gulping down shakes in an attempt to become as strong as an ox, forgetting that the ox eats grass. These phenomenal athletes show us in no uncertain terms that animal protein is a thing of the past. If we want to put premium fuel in our Ferraris, then we need to get it from plants. Read on to discover how these performance machines prepare, perform, and recover. So there you go. As a sort of an elite athlete in the past myself, I'm partial to the athletes chapter myself. I really love all these people, so I'm going to take you through it. There you go. There's the introduction page written by me, and then here we go. Morgan Mitchell, Olympian, 400-meter Olympian, and qualified just recently, last week in fact, qualified for the 800 meters at the World Championships this year. Air fried potato fries by Morgan Mitchell. And then Amanda Rose, Mexican smoky loaded fries. Amanda's a very, very amazing athlete and extremely fit, as you can see there, and very inspiring as well. Crissy Carvalho, German kartoffel potato muscle pancakes. Look at her, amazing. She's extremely super fit. Loves her potatoes as well. And the twins, incredibly fit people. Tropical fuel smoothie, sorry. There you go. I never heard of potatoes, or sweet potatoes for that matter, in a smoothie until these amazing girls showed me that. Joel Achilles, CrossFit bodybuilder extraordinaire, done all sorts of extreme fitness challenges, and is just a general all-round beast, and obviously loves a potato salad. And here, Indian Shepherd's Pie by Luke and Emily Tan. They're a dynamic duo if ever there's been one. Luke's a bodybuilder and CrossFit athlete, and Emily's an ultra endurance running champion. Next we've got Amanda Megason from around my neck of the woods too. She's amazing. Look her up. Planted life is her thing. So she's an endurance beast as well. She's an amazing runner and amazing chef. Let's keep going. We've got that's Amanda's second recipe, and there's also there's a bit of writing by me on goal setting. All right, goal setting's a big thing, and there you go. I've written an important bit of information about that. Mike Case, Vegans, the gorilla himself, Spud and bean burgers and with spicy barbecue peach sauce. There you go. Vegans coach, the gorilla man himself. Moving on, Simon Hill from Plant Proof. I'll just flick through these a little bit quicker now, but they're amazing. It's an amazing taco recipe. And then here we go, evidence-based athlete Powerball, sorry, by Jackson and Aaron from Thought for Food podcast. And Victoria Lissack, the super easy sweet potato smoothie bowl. She's an amazing bodybuilder as well. And then Matt Grills, good mate of mine, Matt Grills, ultra endurance athlete, extraordinaire. I've supported him a couple of times in races, and he's amazing. And the salad is very good too. And there you go, that's the end. Next chapter is the chefs. So there you go, that's the athletes chapter. A quick little preview of it for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Remember, you can order below. Just click the link below, use the code SPUDBOOK, and get 20% off. I don't know how much longer that's going to be happening for, but it's there for now, so take advantage of it. Thanks to everyone who's already bought the book. Remember, you can ask a local bookshop to order it for you. You can ask your library to get it in as well. Really appreciate it, everyone. Thank you. Spud up.